If you've been the victim of a hit and run accident, let me first start by saying I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what you're going through. You deserve justice, and it certainly makes you lose faith in humanity when the person who caused the wreck and potentially caused severe injuries lacked the decency to stay around, render aid, and face the consequences of their actions. Sadly, only about 1 in 10 hit and run drivers are ever caught. And even if the driver is found or returns to the scene of the wreck after driving away, they most likely don't have car insurance. If there's no car insurance, it will be extremely difficult to recover money from the at-fault individual for your medical expenses, your lost wages, the pain and suffering, and the property damage to your vehicle. That is, unless you have what is called uninsured motorist coverage. If you're not sure if you have this type of coverage, it's often abbreviated as UM. Check your declarations of coverage sheet for your insurance policy. If you don't see it there, we highly recommend you call your insurance agent right away and sign up for this coverage. It is not that expensive, and the protection you receive from it can be enormous. So what happens in that hit and run scenario that I described and you personally do not have UM coverage? Well, we will find out if any resident relatives, people that were living you at the time of the wreck, had this coverage. If they owned an insured vehicle with UM coverage, we may be able to apply that insurance policy to your wreck. Now, uninsured motorist coverage is one of the best and easiest ways to protect yourself and your family from these hit and run accidents. And if you've been the victim of a hit and run wreck with injuries, please don't try and handle this alone. Call me so we can discuss your claim in greater detail. The call is free. It is completely confidential. There is no obligation. The phone number is 770-934-8000, or you can go to GaryMartinHayes.com.